Ever wish you looked fresh and put together but without obvious makeup? That's the magic of the no makeup look. It's about enhancing your best features, not hiding them. Think of it as your favorite comfy jumper. Effortless, natural, and confidence boosting. You'll look like yourself, just on a really good day. No need for a drawer full of products, just a few essentials will do. The goal? A bright, awake face that whispers, "I feel great today." It's perfect for any occasion, from a quick shop run to a day of inventing. Simple, versatile, and never fussy. This look is for everyone. Ready to try it? Let's gather our tools and get started. Your face is in for a grand day out. Let's start with the basics. A happy, moisturized face is the best canvas for any makeup look. Before you even think about foundation or concealer, take a moment to prep your skin. This step is all about self-care and setting the tone for a fresh, radiant finish. Smooth on your favorite moisturizer, working it gently into your skin with upward strokes. Don't forget your neck and jawline. These areas need love too. Let the moisturizer sink in for a minute or two so your skin feels plump and hydrated. For coverage, reach for a tinted moisturizer or BB cream. These products are perfect for evening out your skin tone while still letting your natural beauty shine through. You don't need a heavy layer, just enough to smooth things out and add a touch of radiance. Apply with your fingers, blending from the center of your face outward. This technique helps you achieve a seamless, natural finish and prevents product from building up around the edges. Keep it light. You want your skin to look like skin. The goal is a sheer, breathable layer that enhances, not hides, your features. If you have a spot, redness, or dark circles, dab on a tiny bit of concealer only where needed. Less is more. Targeted coverage keeps your look fresh and effortless. Tap gently to blend, no harsh rubbing. The warmth of your fingers helps melt the product into your skin for a flawless, undetectable finish. For a healthy glow, add a touch of cream blush to the apples of your cheeks. Cream formulas blend seamlessly and mimic the look of a natural flush. Smile, dab, and blend upward along your cheekbones for a soft, lifted effect. This little step instantly brightens your face and adds a cheerful vibe. The result? A believable, cheerful base that looks effortless and feels comfortable all day long. No heavy layers, just a fresh, rested version of you. Let your freckles and unique features peek through. This is what makes your look truly yours. This is the foundation of the no makeup look. Skin that looks like skin, with a touch of glow and a boost of confidence. Simple, quick, and perfect for any day, whether you're heading to work, school, or just want to feel your best at home. Now that your base is set, let's move on to finding your perfect shades and building the rest of your look. Picking the right shades is key. Choose colors that look like they belong on your face. For your base, test tinted moisturizer on your jawline. It should disappear into your skin. Concealer for spots should match your foundation. For under eyes, go just a touch lighter. Blush should mimic your natural flush. Think soft pinks, peaches, or rosy browns. Fair skin? Try light pink. Deeper skin? Go for terracotta or berry. The goal is a subtle, healthy glow, not obvious makeup. Stick to shades that enhance, not overpower. This keeps your look believable and fresh. Remember, less is more. Now let's talk about how to apply everything with a light touch. Application is everything. Using a light hand is the secret to achieving a natural, effortless finish. Think of your face as a delicate canvas. Every touch should be gentle and intentional, never rushed or heavy-handed. The goal is to enhance your features, not mask them. Begin with a pea-sized amount of product. Less is always more. Warm it between your fingers to help it melt into your skin, making it easier to blend and ensuring a more even application. Dot the product onto your face, focusing on areas that need the most coverage. Blend gently with your fingertips, using soft, circular motions. Your fingers are your best tools for a seamless, skin-like finish, as their warmth helps the product melt in. When it comes to concealer, remember that a tiny amount goes a long way. Tap it in with your fingertip, using a light patting motion to avoid tugging the delicate under-eye area. This technique keeps the look fresh and prevents creasing. For blush, dab a little onto the back of your hand first. This helps you control the amount and avoid over-applying. Then, softly build up the color on your cheeks in light layers, blending as you go for a natural flush. Always take time to blend thoroughly. This is key to avoiding harsh lines or streaks. Use a sponge or your fingers to smooth out any edges, ensuring everything melts seamlessly into your skin. With powders, always tap off the excess from your brush before applying. This prevents a cakey finish and helps you achieve a soft, diffused look. The aim is a sheer wash of color, not a heavy layer. Build up slowly, checking your progress in natural light to keep the look soft and believable. Patience pays off. Layer your makeup gradually, adding a little at a time. This way, you can control the intensity and achieve the most natural effect possible. This technique makes your makeup look like it's part of your skin, rather than sitting on top of it. The result is a flawless, radiant complexion that still looks like you. Finesse and precision are the secrets to mastering the no-makeup makeup look. Every movement should be delicate, every layer intentional. Now that your base is perfected, let's move on to enhancing your eyes and brows for a complete polished look. Eyes and brows are the true focal points of your face. Subtle changes here can transform your entire look. The key is to keep things simple and natural, letting your features shine through without overpowering them. Start by tidying up your brows with a pencil or powder that closely matches your hair color. Use light, feathery strokes to fill in any sparse areas, following the natural direction of your hair growth for the most realistic effect. Remember, the goal is to mimic real hairs, not to draw harsh, solid lines. This technique creates a soft, approachable look that frames your eyes beautifully. Next, brush through your brows with a spoolie. This not only blends the product for a seamless finish, but also helps shape your brows, keeping them looking neat and natural all day. For your lashes, reach for an eyelash curler. Curling your lashes instantly opens up your eyes, making you look more awake and refreshed, even on the sleepiest mornings. Always use the curler before applying mascara. This step gives your lashes a natural lift and helps them hold their shape throughout the day. When it comes to mascara, less is more. Wipe off any excess product from the wand, then apply a single coat of brown or black mascara for a subtle, defined look. Wiggle the wand gently at the roots of your lashes, then sweep upward. This technique separates each lash, giving you definition without clumps or heaviness. Avoid layering on too much mascara. One smooth coat is enough to enhance your lashes while keeping them soft and fluttery. The result? Bright, wide-awake eyes that look naturally enhanced, never overdone or dramatic. These small tweaks make a big difference, subtly framing your face and bringing out your best features with minimal effort. Best of all, this routine is quick and easy, perfect for busy mornings or whenever you want to look polished in just a few minutes. Try it out and see how these effortless brow and lash tricks can fit seamlessly into your everyday life, giving you confidence wherever you go. The no-makeup makeup look fits everywhere, work, weekends, or just at home. It's perfect for busy mornings when you want to look polished but not overdone. Great for casual outings, family lunches, or when you're unsure of the dress code. It's a safe, versatile choice that always feels appropriate. Even on quiet days, a little makeup can lift your mood and help you feel ready for anything. It's self-care, not a performance. This look is about feeling good in your own skin, no matter the occasion. It's quick, easy, and always flattering. The ultimate everyday routine, simple, effective, and confidence-boosting. Let's wrap up with a few final thoughts. That's the no-makeup makeup look. Simple, quick, and universally flattering. It celebrates your natural features, not hides them. Start with moisturized skin, use light products, blend well, and choose shades close to your own. Practice makes perfect, but soon it'll be second nature. This routine saves time and lets your personality shine. It's about confidence, comfort, and looking your best with minimal effort. Try it for yourself. You might find it's your new favorite look. Effortless, fresh, and as comforting as a warm cup of tea.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.